Have you ever considered making money while watching YouTube videos? Here's a proof that I have earned over $400 in a single day just by watching YouTube videos. According to a survey conducted worldwide and released in February 2023, people are watching on average 17 hours of online video per week, or around 84 minutes worth of videos every single day. However, most viewers don't receive any single cent out of it. But don't worry, I have discovered a genuine method for earning money online while watching YouTube videos. Furthermore, this approach requires no investment and you can just use your mobile phone to earn. So now let's dive into the video. First, head over to this website, scoring.click. As you can see, this is their homepage. Now all you have to do is click on the sign up button right here and you will be asked to log in with your Google account. It's best to create a new account instead of using your personal account, but the choice is yours. Afterward, you'll be taken to the user dashboard where you'll find all your data to earn money through this website. Click on the Earn button right here, and you'll be presented with multiple ways to earn. The first method is by watching YouTube videos, which gives you 30 to 90 coins depending on the video. In just a moment, I will explain how many coins are worth $1. The second method is more powerful. You simply need to post on Facebook, sign up or install apps, and you'll be paid 10 to 10,000 coins for each task. Finally, there's a referral system. Let's begin earning with the first method by clicking here. A new window will appear. All we need to do is click on Start and a video will play. You can either watch the video or let it run in the background while you do other tasks, such as watching movies or playing games. For the second method, you'll be directed to a page where you'll need to log in with your Google account. This is why I suggested creating a new Google account earlier. After completing your personal details and confirming your email, navigate to the Tasks section on the left-hand side. You'll find various tasks here that can be completed to earn money, such as signing up for a website that offers 73.50 scones, downloading and signing up for an app, or subscribing to a YouTube channel, and then watching, liking, and commenting on 2 of its videos. By completing these, you'll earn a lot of scones. This is basically a new account created just to show you the entire process. I've already used this website and got paid, which you saw at the start of the video. Let me quickly log into that account to show you. As you can see, I've earned over 46,000 coins, which I converted to Bitcoin and then exchanged for PayPal funds using bestchange.com. Since Coin.click doesn't offer PayPal payouts, this is a viable alternative. Don't worry, you can find numerous videos on YouTube explaining this process. Now let's discuss this coin to dollar conversion rate. This varies depending on your location and can even differ between states. In my case, 100 coins or equal to $1. However, your conversion rate may be different. Perhaps 50 coins for $1, or in the worst case, 1,000 coins for $1 earning money while watching YouTube videos might sound too good to be true, but it's possible with Scoring.click. Imagine using your free time to generate some extra income, all while enjoying your favorite content. It's a win-win situation. The referral system on Scoring.click presents another fantastic opportunity to boost your earnings by inviting friends and family to join. You'll receive a commission for each successful referral. Creating a passive income stream that keeps growing over time. It's important to stay consistent with this method, as the more time and effort you put into watching videos and completing tasks, the more you learn. Set aside dedicated time each day for these activities and watch your earnings steadily increase. Now let's move on to the second website on our list, which is this one right here. I just found this brand new website that pays you to watch YouTube videos, listen to music, search on Google, and complete other simple tasks. As you can see, they will pay you to watch videos on YouTube and Netflix, search on Google, listen to music, and more. It's forever free. It's worldwide available, and it requires no previous experience since the tasks are pretty simple and straightforward. They also have very fast payouts. Once you complete your first 3 tasks, you can request to withdraw and get paid within 24 hours through PayPal bank transfer. Pay your crypto now. To actually start earning with this website, you will need to register a free account. To do so, click on this registration for free button right here, and that will take you to this page where you will just need to enter your email address and create a password. Once you do so, you will be able to log into your brand new account. Don't get confused if you get taken back to the home page. All you got to do is click on Members area after logging in, and that will take you to this page where you can start completing offers to earn money. Every single day, they will have different offers for you to complete. Some of these offers will pay you to watch videos, and some will pay you to search on Google. And as you can see today, the first offer pays US $13.25. If we sign up for a Canva Pro free trial to complete this offer and collect the $13, all we need to do is click on Start Now. Afterward, we should click on Sign Up for Free and register for a Canva account. We just need to enter our email address, our name, and enter the code sent to our email. Next, click on Try Canva Pro located on the left-hand side, and then click on Start My Free Trial. If we have completed the entire offer correctly and started a free trial for Canva Pro, we can now go back to complete more offers. Keep in mind that it sometimes takes them a few minutes to review. If we have completed the task successfully, so in the meantime we can complete more offers to earn even further, the next offer that we can complete is watching a free full 1-hour course for $10. This one is my favorite because we can do it again and again and earn $10 an hour literally by doing nothing, because those videos can just play while you're doing something else. So click on Start Now, and that will take you over to a Skillshare course where you will be able to start a free trial. You'll just need to register an account and start watching this 1-hour-long course. Once you watch it all the way to the end, you will be credited $10.35. So not only are you gaining free knowledge, but you are also being paid for it. But keep in mind that you must watch the entire course all the way until the end, or otherwise you will not be paid. So you must play the videos for at least an hour, and cheating is not allowed. Once you complete one offer, you can continue to the next one until you finish all of them for the day, and then tomorrow you can come back to continue earning. An additional way to earn more money from this website is through their referral program, which pays you $2 per person you refer. As long as that person completes at least one offer, you can share your referral link with friends and family, asking them to complete at least one offer with their free account, which will earn you $2. If you refer 10 people, that's an extra $20. You can also create a video, like I'm doing right now discussing this website, and earning passive income. If this video gets, for example, 5,000 views, at least 1,000 people may sign up through my link in the description, resulting in over $2,000 in profits. And finally, I'd like to talk about the payout process. How do you actually withdraw your money from this website? To collect your earnings, you need to complete a minimum of 2 offers and earn at least $20. You can withdraw your money using PayPal, bank transfer, Payer, or crypto. It's important to note that most of these offers are available worldwide. However, some offers like those for Netflix or Google are reserved exclusively for U.S. residents. If certain offers are unavailable to you, keep in mind that it might be because you're not in the U.S. Regardless, there are enough tasks for anyone to make a decent-sized income on this platform, no matter where you're coming from. By the way, the website is cashiton.com. Let me know your thoughts about this new website in the comments below. In my opinion, it's one of the best money-making apps out there, considering how easy the tasks are and how generous the payouts are if you complete the offers correctly. And don't cheat, you can earn a decent-sized income from this platform. And that is it. I hope you found this video valuable. As always, I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.